Where are you from?
Lebanon.
And what's your name?
My name is Tariq.
So, which language do you speak?
Arabic.
Arabic. Arabic has many dialects. Which dialect do you speak?
The Lebanese Arabic, if you want to say.
So, how do we greet people in Arabic?
We say Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum. And I think there is another word, Sabahul Khair, Sabahul Noor, etc.
This is the other type. It depends on the region you are from. But some people has it like this. So some people say Sabah al Khair for the good morning, Masa al Khair for the good afternoon. Some people say Marhaba, which is common all the time. Marhaba means hello.
In Lebanon, generally they say Salam alaikum.
In areas where are Muslims, it's normally Salam alaikum. General areas, it is Sabah al Khair, Masa al Khair, good morning, good afternoon.
How do we ask, what is your name?
Shu ismak.
Shu ismak. And do we have different phrase if we ask a name of a lady?
You can use the same, it depends on the relation. So if you're talking to a friend or somebody who is not a very formal relation, you can use the same, Shu ismak. But for a lady, Shu ismik. It has to be a little bit accent. But if you are formal, you say Al-Ism al-Karim, like your good name, as if you're talking in English in a formal way. Your good name means Al-Ism al-Karim, and you reply this.
How do we say my name is, for example, my name is Tariq. How will you say?
Ismi Tariq.
Ismi Tariq.
Ismi is my name.
Yeah.
Ismi Tariq.
Yeah. And I have heard some people speaking Ana Ismi. Is that correct or?
This is used if I'm talking to you directly. You ask me what's your name. I tell you Ismi Tariq. But if somebody is talking about himself in a public area, he wants to introduce himself. He will say Ana, means me. Ismi Tariq. That is used if you are publicly announcing your name or to some few people. But the direct answer question is Ismi Tariq.
How many languages do you speak? How you will say?
I speak English and Arabic.
No. How you will say in Arabic?
كم لغة تتكلم؟
كم لغة تتكلم? And I speak 3 languages.
أتكلم 3 لغات.
What is your nationality in Arabic?
ما هي جنسيتك؟
ما
هي جنسيتك؟ الجنسية هي nationality. جنسية.
I am from Lebanon.
أنا من لبنان.
And can you tell me numbers from 1 to 10?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
How do we say I am hungry?
أنا جائع.
And I am thirsty.
أنا عطشان.
It is 12 o'clock.
إنها 12. Or sometimes you say إنها الساعة 12.
And can you tell me the names of the days of the week?
الأحد، الاثنين، الثلاثاء، الأربعاء، الخميس، الجمعة، السبت.
And how do you say names of the months?
See, this is a bit complicated, but I will say how we say it in Lebanon. كانون الثاني، شباط، آذار، ليسين، أيار، حزيران، تموز، آب، أيلول، تشرين أول، تشرين الثاني، كانون أول.
And do you like Dubai? how you will say in Arabic?
هل تحب دبي أو هل تعجبك دبي؟
Yes, I like Dubai.
نعم تعجبني دبي.
Okay, thank you.